Let's go. Caleb! Caleb, come. Where's the min pins? There goes the mini pin. There goes the boxer. Nope, that's the pit bull. There's the boxer. There goes another min pin. What do you think about the snow, Bubba? What do you think about it? What do you think about this snow? Okay, let's go find the min pins. And there goes Oreo, our little foster girl. And there goes the crazy boxer. And it's a snow fight with the dogs.
My hands are cold now. What's the matter, Oreo?
He says it's cold out here. Come on, Dix. Come on, little girl. Come on, babies. Jojo. Jojo. Good boy. Good boy, Jojo.
Look at Dixie's face.
I get the min pins, but they're like everywhere, so it's hard to keep up with them.
Soldier's used to this shoot up it.